ke ufakahato ai honga ia hoku mafu.
Your Miss Heilala for 2026, Miss Lady Maria, Tonga, Australia.
Miss Lady Maria, Tonga, Australia, Silia Sitoafa Matelau, o Miss Heilala, o Wanoa, Huano. She will receive a cash prize of 5,000 pa'aga. Also, 2 complimentary tickets from Fiji Airways, from Tongatapu to any direct Fiji Airways destination in the world.
Ladies and gentlemen, and your first runner-up, Miss Masani Connect, Ministry of Tourism.
Miss Masani Connect, Ministry of Tourism, Teki Whaiwai Hakau Tuitawake is your first runner-up for Miss Heilala 2026. She will receive a cash prize of 4,000 pa'anga and also 2 complimentary tickets from Tongatapu to any direct Fiji Airways destination in Australia or New Zealand. Malo. Whawheta. Whamalo atu tahine princess. Whalanglang, princess Sinai Takala. Yo ke mea heni ke whakakato e polo kalama te mono whaki e tau ngahi pare hounga ia ki he komiti pe he whoki ki he festival ai Heilala o wanoa huaono.
DJ, can we please have a number while our Miss Heilala